Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another painting, and this time I'll be painting a beach cottage. First, I start with my waterproof pen to do the sketch. Since I'm planning to work with watercolors, I used a waterproof pen. I'll be adding most of the details as well as the darks, depth, and shadows with my pen, and I'm trying to show that as clearly as possible. The paper I'm using is rough texture 300 GSM. Alright, our sketching is done here. Let's move on to the next step, which is my favorite part, the watercolor painting. First of all, my watercolor tubes are from the Shinhan brand. I start with the first layer, let it dry completely, and once it's dry, I begin adding watercolor splotches to the cottage and scattered lines for the plants, as I want the plants to look thick and full. In the reference image, the cottage was blue with spots that were very close to burnt sienna. I first applied the scattered blue color and left the areas that were a different color blank. Then I let it dry. During this time, I worked on the plants and the sea in the background. Once I was sure everything was dry, I started adding burnt sienna spots to the cottage, and as you can see, it turned out this way. Once I was sure my painting was completely dry, I used my gouache and fine brush to add some details and lines to various elements, including the edges of the roof and the cottage wall. I also added some free-flowing lines on the plant coverage as highlights to create a visual balance along with the other elements. And that's it. Our painting is done. If you liked today's painting, I think you'll enjoy this video too. I'd love it if you could like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best and may you stay successful and creative.